to show you in this video how to do a screenshot, which is just taking a picture of whatever's on your screen. So once you take a picture of it, you can save it to your computer, and from there you can upload it into a Dropbox, you can send it in an email, you can do all sorts of things with it once you've taken your screenshot. So the first thing we're going to do is go down to our Start menu. It's on the bottom left-hand corner of our screen. Looks like a little window. When we click on that, we're going to scroll down this menu pretty far. Well, it depends on how many programs you have. On my computer, it's pretty far. I have to scroll down. And I'm going to go to a program called Snip and Sketch, which doesn't sound anything like screenshot or taking a picture, does it? But I'm going to click on that, and it's going to bring up this pop-up screen. That's just a big gray blank screen, pretty much. But what I want is this blue button at the top left corner of my pop-up that says New, and it's got a little tiny pair of scissors, and it looks like maybe a cloud on there. So I'm going to click New. And my whole screen kind of goes a little bit darker, and my cursor, instead of an arrow, is now a plus sign, and I can move it around. So whichever part of my screen I want to start my picture with is where I'm going to click my cursor. So on this screen, I want to take a picture of just this Dropbox assignment part. I don't want all this extra stuff at the top or the side. I just want to take a picture of this. I'm going to start my cursor here, click down on my mouse, and hold it. And you can see whatever is in my picture, as long as I'm holding down my mouse button, is bright and highlighted. So that's what I want to take my picture of. I can make it bigger, I can make it wider, but I want to take a picture of just this right here. And as soon as I let go of my mouse button, it's going to show up in this screen, in my pop-up screen. So once it's up there, I can click on this little floppy disk icon, which is my save button, and I can save it in here as anything I want. It's coming up as screenshot. I'm going to do screenshot sample because that's what this is. It's just an example. And I'm going to click save, and it saved it to my computer for me. So once I've saved it, then I can X out of the pop-up because I don't need the pop-up anymore. If I want to take a picture of the entire screen I'm on, I go back to my left-hand bottom button, scroll through my menu to pull up a Snip and Sketch. I'm going to click on New. And this time I'm going to start my cursor all the way at the top. And look, I'm going to highlight my entire screen. I want to get everything on my screen in this picture. And as soon as I let go of my mouse button, there it is. My whole screen is in that picture. And I can click save again, and it'll save this one separately. And I can name it something different so that I can remember not to get it confused with the first one I took. And that's how we take a screenshot. Please reach out to me if you have any questions.